Hey there, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the best pool treatments on the market, the PoolMate 1255004 Pool Metal Remover. If you're looking to keep your pool pristine and metal-free, this might just be the solution you need. Stick around as we uncover its features, benefits, and how it stands out from the rest. First off, what makes the PoolMate 1255004 so special? Well, it's designed to tackle a variety of metal-related issues in your pool. Whether it's iron, copper, manganese, or other metals causing discoloration or stains. This product promises to effectively remove and prevent them, ensuring your pool water stays crystal clear. Let's break down its features. The PoolMate 1255004 comes in a convenient quart size, and just one bottle can treat up to 10,000 gallons of water. That's great news for pool owners who want a cost-effective and efficient solution. It acts as a sequestrant, protecting your pool's plumbing and walls from rust, stains, and scale buildup throughout the season. Now, why should you consider using this product? Beyond its effectiveness in removing metals, it's incredibly easy to use. Simply add the recommended amount to your pool and let it do its magic. Many users have praised its ability to not only clean but also to prevent future staining, which can save you both time and money in maintenance costs. While we won't delve into specific customer reviews today, many users have shared positive experiences with the PoolMate 1255004. Citing its reliability and how it has transformed their pool maintenance routines. It's no wonder it's earned high ratings across the board. How does it stack up against other pool treatments? Well, unlike some competitors, this product is known for its broad-spectrum metal removal capabilities. Whether you're dealing with high iron content or stubborn copper stains, this versatile solution is designed to handle it all. Wrapping things up, if you're in the market for a reliable pool metal remover that delivers on its promises, the PoolMate 1255004 is definitely worth considering. Its ease of use, effectiveness, and affordability make it a standout choice for pool owners looking to maintain water clarity and cleanliness. That's all for today's review on the PoolMate 1255004 Pool Metal Remover. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth product reviews and recommendations. Have questions or want to share your own experiences with this product? Drop a comment below. Until next time, stay informed and keep enjoying your pool time.